Hey, what's up, guys? Take a moment to relax, breathe, and settle into this time just for yourself. Today, we're going to walk through a complete deep cleansing face care routine, designed especially for acne-prone, oily combination and sensitive skin. This is not just about washing your face. This is about understanding your skin, respecting it, and giving it the care it truly needs on a daily basis. Many people struggle with acne, clogged pores, dull skin, or recurring breakouts. Often, it's not because they don't care about their skin, but because they've been following routines that are too harsh, too complicated, or simply not right for their skin type. Let's get started. Step 1. Proper skin preparation. Before attempting any deep cleansing, preparation is everything. Start with an gentle, non-stripping cleanser. Your goal is to remove surface-level oil, dirt, and makeup without damaging your skin's protective barrier. Avoid harsh soaps or overly aggressive cleansers. Clean skin should feel fresh, not tight or dry. Think of this as creating a clean canvas. Step 2. Facial steaming. Steaming is one of the most popular pre-treatment techniques, and for good reason. Contrary to popular belief, steam doesn't open pores. Instead, it softens the hardened oil plugs inside them. This makes extractions and treatments more effective. How to steam safely? Use a facial steamer or a bowl of warm, not boiling water. Lean at a comfortable distance and allow the steam to gently surround your face for about 5 to 8 minutes. Always avoid excessive heat to prevent irritation or burns. Step 3. Chemical exfoliation. Salicylic acid. Now we move into one of the most effective blackhead fighting ingredients, salicylic acid. This beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, is oil-soluble, meaning it can penetrate deep into pores. It works by sloshing excess oil, breaking down dead skin buildup, reducing pore congestion. For beginners, stick with 1% to 2% concentration. Use 2 to 3 times per week. And remember, always patch test new products. Step 4. Clay mask therapy. Clay masks are incredibly satisfying and surprisingly powerful. Clays like kaolin bentonite like magnets for excess oil and impurities. They help sebum, reduce shean, minimize congestion. Apply a thin, even layer and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Bore the mask fully cracks to avoid dehydration. Step 5. Extraction. With caution, extraction tools can be useful, but this is where many people go wrong. Golden rules for safe extraction: sanitize the tool with rubbing alcohol. Only extract visible, surface-level blackheads. Use gentle pressure. If it doesn't release easily, leave it alone. Forcing extractions can lead to inflammation, broken capillaries. Scoring when in doubt, trust a professional. Step 6. Post-cleansing care. What you do after cleansing is just as important as the treatment itself. Your skin needs calming and hydration. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, centella asiatica, and most importantly, daily sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher. Exfoliated skin is more sensitive to UV damage. Skipping sunscreen can undo all your progress. Prevention. The long-term strategy. Blackheads are normal, but prevention is key. Use non-comedogenic products. Maintain a consistent routine. Change pillowcases regularly. Clean your phone screen often. Lifestyle factors matter too. For some individuals, high glycemic foods or excessive dairy may contribute to breakouts. Every skin is different. Learn what works for yours. Understanding pore behavior. Here's something important to know. You can't actually open or close pores. Pores don't have muscles. What you can do is influence how visible they appear. When pores are filled with oil and debris, they look larger. When pores are clean and balanced, they appear tighter and smoother. That's why proper cleansing techniques matter so much. Advanced maintenance techniques. Once your basic routine is solid, you can introduce targeted treatments. Retinoids. Night routine boost. Retinoids help regulate skin cell turnover. This means fewer clogged pores. Reduce congestion. Smooth the skin texture. Start slowly, typically 2-3 nights per week. Patience is key. Aha! Niacinamide Oil Regulation Support. Niacinamide is a multitasking powerhouse. It helps balance oil production, support skin barrier function, improve overall texture. It pairs well with most routines and is generally well tolerated. Balance over aggressions. One of the most common mistakes in skincare is overcorrection. More scrubs, more acids, more treatments. But excessive intensity often backfires. Overexfoliation can trigger increased oil production, irritation, more barrier damage, more breakouts. Your skin thrives on balance, not force. Daily habits that quietly affect blackheads. Blackheads control isn't only about products. Daily micro-habits play a massive role. Avoid touching your face frequently. Keep makeup brushes clean. Remove sunscreen thoroughly. Don't sleep with makeup. Small behaviors create big skin outcomes. The skin-stress connection, ****. Here's something many people overlook. Stress affects your skin. When stress hormones rise, oil production can increase. More oil, higher chance of pore congestion. While skincare helps externally, lifestyle balance helps internally. Proper sleep, hydration, stress management, healthy skin reflects overall wellness. Yeesh. The gentle skincare philosophy. Clear skin isn't built through aggression. It's built through consistency, gentle techniques, barrier protection, smart product choices. Think of skincare as maintenance, not warfare. Visual satisfaction and skin reality. Watching blackheads being removed can be incredibly satisfying. But real skincare success is less dramatic and more gradual. Less instant gratification, more long-term improvement. And that's completely normal. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay cool.